Alright, you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day. What's today? ¿Qué día es? Día 8. Day 8. Yesterday, I didn't really film anything because there wasn't anything to do, so I pretty much just napped all day because I was so tired. And I legit just woke up from a nap, so that's why my hair is all frizzy and gross, but that's not gonna stop me from recording. So today, we're gonna do some cookies because I'm in the mood for some cookies. So I'm gonna show you guys this recipe that my mama has had for years. And when I mean years, okay? Like she's been making these cookies since I was like little and they're so good. So I decided, let me show one of my mama's recipes to you guys. So if you guys wanna try these cookies, they're so good. They are so good, just letting you know. All right, so let's get started,
All right, you guys, for ingredients, you will be needing 2 sticks of butter, half cup of sugar, 3 cups of flour, and 3 eggs, as well as 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So first you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then you want to put your butter inside the microwave just to soften them a little bit. I just put it in for like a minute. And keep an eye on it, and it should look something like this. So then you're gonna pour that into your mixing bowl, and then you're gonna put in your sugar. Then you're just going to mix it all together. My mom had to help me here because I was recording, so yeah, thanks mama. So once you're done, it should look something like this. Then you want to add your 3 eggs. And again, mixing. Then you want to pour in your vanilla extract. And again, mix. Then you want to slowly add the flour. So you want to first use your little mixer here. You will start to notice that it'll start to get harder. So this is when you start transitioning over to a spatula or a big spoon. Like my mom was doing here, and you just want to manually do it yourself, and you will be moving over to doing it with your hands. And then here we're just putting in that baking powder mixed in with the flour, and as you can see here, it's getting harder to mix in the more flour you put in, and that's what you are going to do so the dough will start to form. So then here is where the last flour that I'm mixing into it, and that's when I start to realize, okay, I can't use the spoon anymore, so you start doing it with your hands. So once your dough is ready, it should look something like this. Make sure that it's not sticking to your hands. That's how you know it's ready. So here are the cutout shapes that I decided that I'm gonna do my cookies. I'm gonna use this gingerbread man, just cause, you know, it's very festive. This little thing that reminds me of like maybe snowflakes or whatever. So that's what I'm using. You can use whatever you want. And then you're just going to pour some flour on your countertop so the dough doesn't get sticky. And pour your dough on there. And I'm just using a cup because I don't have a rolly thingamajiggy, whatever it's called. You know, like Martha Stewart says, you gotta improvise, you gotta use what you got. So the cup worked just fine. But if you have that roller thingy, use the rolly thingy. And again, using some flour on the top so it doesn't stick to the cookie cutters, and start shaping out your cookies. And here's my little gingerbread man in all its glory. And just repeat the process until you are all done and putting them on the little pan. I used a cooking sheet paper thing so they don't stick. I just find it better than the spray. Then you want to go ahead and just pop them in the oven. And putting it in for 10 minutes. But just make sure you keep an eye on them until they're nice, like brownish like this. And then you are all set and ready to eat. So I hope you guys enjoy this little recipe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!